like a pro. Treat you like
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm D Bonita. So today I will be giving you guys a quick makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys the product that I use to achieve this look. I definitely hope that you guys enjoy this video. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so right now I'm going to be getting my edges fixed because guys, look at this. Look at this. To really slick down my edges and make it look nice, I'm gonna go in with the Miel's Edge Control, or this edge gel. Is a rosemary mint straighten gel. It's infused with biotin and encourage growth. So you're not using this gel just to use it, but it's also growing it because it's infused with biotin. Biotin is really a great product to use to maintain hair growth, to grow your nails, have a glowy skin and stuff like that. People pronounce it as Miel or Mayel, but I personally say Miel, sometimes Mayel. So if I'm pronouncing it wrong, just comment down below. It's really smooth. It's not something that's really gonna like make your edges really hard. Since I got my edges done, I'm gonna be adding on some lashes now. I normally do my edges first, then my lashes, and then my foundation. So today I got a few lashes that I'll be adding on. I like my lashes really fluffy, not too long, around like 14 to 18 inch, max 20. And I just put them on. I can never go wrong with some lashes because I love me some lashes. If you've been watching my videos, you guys know that I love me some regular hair glue. Let's just show you guys. I don't know, like it's always something that I use that works out for me. So that's what I'm gonna be using to apply on my lashes. Yeah, so these are my fluffy lashes. Just gonna add on the glue and I'm gonna let it sit there just a little bit. And when I put on my lashes, I like to have the mirror like this to achieve that look. I just look down, right, and then I just apply it. Like I look really down. Okay, so this is one of the lashes that I have on. You guys can tell the difference. Like it looks like I have on individuals. Like comment below if you think that I have on individuals, but I really have on strip lashes. Okay, so now I have on my lashes. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look on how my lashes look. I'm gonna show you guys on the side, in the front. Yeah. By the way guys, this is my makeup bag. This is how everything looks right now. I ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette to shape out my eyebrows the way that I want it to be shaped out. Use the darkest shade, use the powder, and then I start outlining my eyebrows. check this one. Okay, we're getting there. So I'm not gonna add on concealer. I'm just gonna try to finesse my face the way that I want it to be finessed. Now I'm just gonna jump straight into the Bite foundation. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna go with my brush. Give me more of like a makeup look. I'm gonna be concealing my under eyes with the Il Maquillage concealer. Good brand, been using it for a while. A little bit goes a long way, so don't add too much. I don't plan on adding too much. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna wet it. I just wet my beauty blender a little bit just so it can kind of flow and give me a nicer smooth look under my eye. You see? Then after, I'm going to bake under my eyes with the banana. It's old. I had this for a very long time. I don't even know what shade I'll be using for this. I take a fluffy brush and I just pretty much blend it on my skin. Okay. I normally like to put a little bit of eyeliner under my eyes. So I'm gonna be going with a nude eyeshadow today. Nothing crazy, and I just added on my eyelids. Alright, so right now we're gonna go for the lips, right? So we got on our lashes, eyebrows is lit. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, cool. So this is my lip combo. I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna just take one of the shades to line up my lips. I'm gonna go in with this shade to line up my lips. And okay, so this is the final look. You guys were able to get ready with me to see how I do my makeup. I showed you guys a few of the products that I used today. You guys were able to see how I lay my edges, the products that I use. Definitely recommend, if you're not looking for like an edge control that's gonna make your edges really hard, I definitely recommend the Miel's Edge Gel. It's infused with biotin and rosemary mint, which promotes hair growth. We'll make sure all the products that I used today are in the description, so definitely check the description box to see all the products links that I used. If you guys enjoyed this video today, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your loved ones, your friends, your family. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.